we're waiting for Luis. We got a little gift for Jaden. So Jaden loves excavators. So we got him a little gift. And I bought him an excavator shirt over the weekend, and he was so happy with the $5 shirt that I was like, he needs a real excavator. So it just arrived. Luis is building it for him.
Yeah, he's gonna be so happy.
What is that?
Excavator!
What is that? Whoa! Oh my goodness! Wow!
Look!
Excavator! Hi, hi! Excavator!
See? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Jaden, look.
Wow, so cute!
I bet excavator.
Your excavator!
Jaden, oh no, you need help. Go help. You need to go walk. I'm gonna back away.
¿Y cuánta le echaré? Ahí está. Look at that! Oh my goodness! Bubbles! I think we're gonna do it. I think we're getting it for the summer. It's literally the last one. There's that one, but that's 230. This one's 350, and this looks more fun for the kids.